It's Monday the 11th of October and it's now the 23rd day of the eruption. I've put the wide angle lens back on this morning because you really can't see anything with all the smoke that's billowing up. There's a lot of grey black smoke coming from, I'm even seeing some flames there, where the lava is still making its slowly painful way through the industrial estate. Once the eruption's finally over, one of the biggest challenges that the local government's going to face will be restoring the roads. At the minute, on the west side of the island where we are, north and south are completely cut off. So for you to get an idea, Peter used to take 10 minutes to go to work in the car, and now it would take him about an hour and a half because he'd have to go over to the other side and right round the south of the island. The Councillor for Infrastructures was just talking to Canary TV about this. He said they've been consulting with engineers on the mainland who've worked on Hawaii and in Italy after volcanic eruptions, and they'll be bringing people from the mainland, possibly from abroad, to work on this. He talked about experiments that they'll have to do to try and cool the lava down as soon as possible, because of course they can't work. First of all, the eruption has to finish and then the lava has to cool down, which, depending on the thickness, in some places it's 15 meters deep. Depending on the depth, could take months or maybe even a year to cool down. So they're going to be experimenting, this will be very interesting, to try and cool the lava down as quickly as possible and then open up the roads. Although he said that some roads are lost forever, where the lava is in some places 1.2, 1.5 kilometers wide, that's about a mile. They'll just have to find a new way to get round it and rebuild roads that they need. Now, some people have pointed out that you never see me on the videos. There's a good reason for this, but anyway, I'm going to oblige this morning, so here I am.